everyone, it's Ariana here from Troll Lady, and today I will be playing a game called Five Nights at Freddy's. The only reason I have downloaded this game is because my brother and I don't know. So I've never tried it. The reason I'm at night 4 is because of Gage. And I'm in my sister's room because I'm afraid to play this game with Persephone, my little sister, and I'm also with the pet cat, Cleo. So let's get into this. Continue night 4. Ah! Good cat. Wait, okay. So, how would you play this? The door open. Whoa! Dude! I hear one walking! Aw, no! Ah! Oh my god. What's happening?
Okay.
Bonnie's there now. Okay, I'm scared. So I'm just gonna keep the doors closed.
Yeah.
He's gone. They're gone. They can't get in, right? If you guys have ever played this game, please leave the... What? What was that?
Please leave the comment.
Oh my god! As I was gonna say, please leave some tips in the comment below how to play this game, because... Okay. Are you like serious? Oh my gosh, so like, this guy is like right there. I've got like only a little bit of power left. Huh? Who are you? Leave me alone!
What the heck?
Someone's moving.
I do not know who that is.
No!
Is that Foxy or someone?
I don't know.
Is that Bonnie? Is that Freddy?
Bonnie's gone. Uh-oh. Guess what?
Is it Chica?
I don't know.
Is that who I think it is?
Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. My power!
You want to check?
Whoa, dude. What happens? Ooh, I like your music. Freddy? No! Oh my gosh. So guys, I know that video was so short and long. Well, I mean, it's only a few minutes, but it was only one round, so I'm just gonna end it here. I will make another video of Five Nights at Freddy's if I can get this video to at least maybe 50 likes, and then I'll do another video because I'm just not into this game. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!